Hi everyone, so today I'm going to walk through how to withdraw funds from your eToro to your bank account. And in Malaysia here, it is your Malaysian bank account. If you're new to eToro, basically eToro is a stockbroking platform that you can use to buy and sell stocks, crypto, commodities and forex currencies online. But we're not going to go through all that. Today we're just going to focus on the withdrawal method, and with that there are two withdrawal methods and we're going to cover them today. One is the default method from eToro to your bank account for Malaysian users, your Malaysian bank account. Number two, on the second method, is via crypto from your eToro app to your bank account or Malaysian bank account through an exchange or crypto wallet. So before we continue, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to eToro or new to finance, investing, real estate, and home and living products in this channel. So if you have an eToro account and now you want to withdraw the funds back to your bank account, whether you're in Malaysia or in other countries, so we're going to do everything with the eToro app. So in the home screen on the top left, tap the burger icon to slide out the side button, then go to withdraw funds. Then put in the amount you want to withdraw, and do take note that there is a $5 withdrawal fee, which will be deducted from your withdrawn amount. And this we will see in a bit. So then, next is where you want eToro to send your funds to. So here, I have my bank account saved. For my Malaysian eToro users, yes, you can withdraw money from your eToro account back to your Malaysian bank account. So to add a bank account, tap the add a new payment method at the bottom. Then you have to put in your first name, middle name, last name, bank country, bank currency, bank account number, SWIFT code and additional information. For Malaysian eToro users, I use Maybank. So here, put in your name, bank country is Malaysia, bank currency is USD, which is US dollar, bank account number is your Malaysian bank account, your Maybank account number, then the SWIFT, you can Google for the SWIFT code, then the intermediary bank section, you can leave it blank. Then additional information is optional. You might want to put your full name as your Maybank bank account name. Then tap submit. So then you see here the $5 fee and net amount to my Maybank in this example is $995 US. And after I've done this transaction, I receive a withdrawal notification from eToro in my email, and within 3 business days, the withdrawal is reflected in my Malaysian bank account. But bear in mind that the transfers may take about 8 business days, shorter or longer, for the transaction to go through and to reach your Maybank account. Now, if you can't wait and maybe you need the money urgently or in crypto form, we'll be covering on an alternative method from eToro to eToro Money, and then from eToro Money to Luno, and then Luno to our Malaysian bank account. So now back to the eToro app. With your available cash balance, you need to buy a crypto. So I'm going to buy some Ethereum and then go to the eToro Money app. eToro Money is a separate app from the eToro app. eToro Money is mainly to store, send and receive your cryptos. Make sure you have created a Ethereum wallet. In this case, if you haven't, you can tap the create wallet button below. Then from the eToro app, you can transfer any of these cryptos to the eToro Money app. You can transfer like Bitcoin from the eToro app to the Bitcoin wallet in the eToro Money app or any other crypto. But again, in this tutorial, in this example, we're going to transfer Ethereum from the eToro app to the eToro Money app. Now back in the eToro app, go to the Ethereum you just bought and then tap position. Then under current value, tap transfer to wallet. So the process should take about 1 business day or within 1 business day. With that, the position will stay open. And once you transfer out and to your eToro Money app, you cannot transfer back into your eToro app. That means it's only a one-way transaction. So anyway, to proceed, tap transfer to eToro Money wallet. Then you'll be prompted to enter a verification code, and within minutes and then hours, the Ethereum is now in my eToro Money wallet app. So next is to send it to Luno, and remember you must transfer within the same cryptocurrency. That means from Ethereum to Ethereum or Bitcoin to Bitcoin. So that means Ethereum from eToro Money wallet to Ethereum in Luno wallet exchange. In your Luno app, go to your Ethereum wallet, then tap more, then in the pop-up below, tap receive and then copy your Luno Ethereum receive address. Then back in your eToro Money app, in the Ethereum wallet app, tap send, and then here just paste the Luno address you copied earlier. That means you're receiving Luno address, the address, copy and paste here in your eToro Money app. Then tap send. And within minutes or maybe within hours, you should receive the Ethereum in your Luno Ethereum wallet. And then to convert to Ringgit and then to withdraw to a Malaysian bank account. You can sell it instantly or in the Luno exchange in the Luno app. And then subsequently withdraw to your Malaysian bank account from Luno. So in summary, there are two methods to withdraw funds from your eToro to your bank account or Malaysian bank account in this example. And both methods have their pros and cons. If you go through the default withdrawal method from eToro, basically there's a $5 withdrawal fee which is deducted from your withdrawn amount, but then the withdrawal process can take longer. It can take about 3 business days plus or minus for the funds to reach your bank account. If you withdraw and transfer by the second method, which is the crypto method, there are additional fees when transferring from your eToro app to your eToro Money app and then to your Luno wallet or your crypto wallet. And then not just the fees, the prices also fluctuate while you're doing the transfer from wallet to wallet. So by then, at the end, when you receive your full amount, your withdrawn amount, the amount may be higher or lower depending on the volatility of the crypto price. For example, if the crypto price, in this case, the Ethereum price, if the price is bullish and going up and you happen to do your transaction, your withdrawal during this period, then yes, you gain some profit along the way when you withdraw the money, the crypto from your eToro app to your crypto exchange wallet. But if you're withdrawing while the crypto is in a downtrend or is bearish, then you might lose some money along the way and incur some losses while you're withdrawing from your eToro app to your crypto wallet or your Luno wallet, in this case for Malaysian users. But the process seems faster and you receive your money quicker compared to the earlier method, which is about 3 business days plus or minus. With the crypto method, you can receive your money within 24 hours or within about 1 day, even though the process is tedious and takes more steps and apps in order for you to receive your funds. This is a rather longer process and lengthier process, but it's a faster and quicker process if you need the money urgently and conveniently. And with that being said, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned how to withdraw money from eToro to your Luno wallet or a crypto wallet and Malaysian bank account or any bank account in this example. If you're interested to sign up for a Luno account or an eToro account, you can use my referral link in the description to sign up for an account. So that's it on withdrawing from eToro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this and in real estate, investing, finance, and home and living. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.